Do you want to learn how to generate image to video on Hailuo AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. And inside here in Discovery, you're going to find all the videos that are made by the community. And on the left, click on Create or click on Try Now from here. You'll be taken over to this page, click on Image to Video, switch to it, and put an image over here. And if you're not sure what type of an image you want to put, because currently Hailuo AI don't have an option for generating images, AI images. For this, I'm going to go over to Chat GPT and I asked it to generate random prompts for random topics. If you have a particular prompt in mind, you can put it here and it's going to give you these prompts. All I did next was write me prompt for each. So it just gave me detailed prompt for each of these. I just took one of these prompts, went over to Kling AI. Kling AI has a free image generator and they also give you trial credits. Go to dashboard and this is the page where you'll be taken to when you go to klingai.com. Click on AI images and inside it, go for text to image. Put in your prompt here. Choose 16:9. This is the basic aspect ratio that most people go for. Choose generating count. It could be up to 9. I'm just going to select 3 and it's going to say the number of credits that it will take when generating the image. So because I've done 3, it said 0.60 per image is going to take in 0.20 credits. Now these are the images that it created. You can just download it from here with the watermark, head over to Hailuo AI and inside here in image to video, put the image here and put the same prompt that you used to generate this image and then choose a model. It can be this new one and then click on this to generate the video. You can select up to 3 quantity because I'm currently on the free plan and the free plan allows you to generate up to 3 at a time. This was the video that it generated out of that image. And that's it. This is how to use the image to video inside Hailuo AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.